causing mayhem in the pantry? Is that what we're doing? That is what we're doing. We're discovering things. What's on your knee? Uh-oh. Not good. We didn't need that anyway, right? It's just for emergencies. What it says on there, emergency. Or airborne, which one is it? Okay, let's put that back. Let's put that one back. Nope, time to take it out again, huh? Careful, careful, careful. Oh no. That's not good. Let's put it back. Let's put it back. Let's play with something else. Not again. Yikes. Okay, we're gonna have to close the pantry, alright? No, let's put that back. Oh, no, we gotta put that back. You don't want those. Those are gummy vitamins. Which we actually need to throw out. No, let's put those back. Alright. You're done.